What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypress channel. Alright, so today is the day of... Today is October 6th, and that means it's the day of the new Giganotosaurus versus THERIZINOSAURus from Target. It's a Target exclusive, guys. It's a Legacy Collection reimagined. So we got it already. It is... Let me grab it. Here we go. There's the Giganotosaurus and the THERIZINOSAURus. It is a reimagined, actually. There you go, reimagined. So it's pretty cool. Quite pricey, but we got it on sale. Alright, so the original price was $79.99, so that's 80 bucks, and we only got it for $64. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. It has a nice packaging. We'll check the back. Let's check the back. There you have it. Look at that. That's stand. I believe that THERIZINOSAURus doesn't have a sound though, just the Giganotosaurus. Yeah, we've been trying to... It moves, the claws moves, but no sound. Just the Giga. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it right now inside here, since Saffron couldn't wait. We wanted to compare it with the rest of the variants of the Giga and the THERIZINOSAURus at home. But okay, so we're gonna unbox it then. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. Let's take out the Giga. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh no, it's stuck.
Okay.
Now we're going for the THERIZINOSAURus. Okay, we got that out. Our blade. Put it in very sharp. Okay. Give me the... Can you see that? Okay, so we got the THERIZINOSAURus out. Yeah, definitely has no sound at all. There's the DNA scan for you guys. And so no sound for the THERIZINOSAURus. Let's take the tail out. Now let's put the tail. Are you gonna focus? Push the tail in. There you go.
Got it.
Nice. There's the button right there. It has slash attack. You can move the arms and claws. There you go. However, the mouth cannot be, it's manual though. It's not automatic anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the THERIZINOSAURus. We're gonna compare its variants later when we get home. Whoops. Let's check that. There you go. Not bad. They forgot to paint the beak. There's no paint in the beak and the dew claw again. They forgot the dew claw right there. There you go. Now for the Giganotosaurus. We're gonna take this guy out. Alright, give me the camera. Let's see. Alright, so we get the Giganotosaurus out. It looks like... Okay, not bad. They forgot to paint the dew claw as well, but it looks like it got smaller now compared to the original Dominion Giganotosaurus and the Hammond Collection. The dew claw is actually quite longer. Alright, so I believe the mouth is not automatic as well. It's manually now. You can open the belly as well. You can add some. Now we're gonna compare to the Dominion Giganotosaurus. Here's the original Giganotosaurus now. So it doesn't have that moving body anymore like the classic one. Look at that. It chumps. So there you go. So like I said, the dew claw. You can see the dew claw right there sticking out. Meanwhile, the newer one is not sticking out anymore. They made it shorter. Look at that, see? It sticks out both legs. Alright, now let's go get the Hammond Collection. Bigger one, the biggest Giganotosaurus. Also, the dew claws are much better here. It's also painted. So, yeah, it's still bigger. The Hammond Collection is bigger than this Legacy Collection Giga. Whoa, look at the size of the difference. See? The difference. Has a longer tail as well. Look at that. Yeah. But at least this one can be... You can move its tail though. See that? It's pretty much foldable. You can twist it like that. Same as the head. It's rubberized. The head can be moved. soft part. Where's that sound thing? There we go. Yeah, the mouth does not open up, it's manually. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, it's pretty much a repaint with a lot of update. We took off the button here. The scratches are the same. You can see the thigh. Same battle scars right here, the old one. Now let's go see the THERIZINOSAURus. Okay, guys? We're gonna compare to the original Dominion THERIZINOSAURus. Here's the original Dominion THERIZINOSAURus. So this newer one is a downgrade. No more sound, the mouth isn't open. However, it can still move. Look at that. Here's our original THERIZINOSAURus. Where's the button? Has a button in the tail. You can move it, swing the tail. And we're gonna get the Chaos Theory. Here's the Chaos Theory. You just swing the tail as well, it moves. And of course our Hammond Collection, THERIZINOSAURus. Yeah, so we got 4 big THERIZINOSAURus now. So yeah. So this Chaos Theory can't really move the neck. There's no movement, it doesn't have an articulated neck. Nothing. However, this new one has. It's pretty cool. You can move. Yeah. This one doesn't. The neck doesn't move. The lower neck doesn't move either. None. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, the next video will be a Dino Reveal. We have the new Dino Reveal Battle Pack now. The new one. Yes, it's pretty awesome. So here it is. It is gorgeous. The new Dino Reveal. Looks like a Protoceratops and a Herrerasaurus or an Aluramus, I think. It looks like an Aluramus. Yeah, I think it is an Aluramus. So yeah, we'll be unboxing this next video, okay guys? So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Okay guys, thank you so much. We'll show our main guys here again. Let's move around this THERIZINOSAURus. Yeah. So there we go. Thank you again, guys. You guys have a good one now. We'll see you in the next few days. Cheerio, guys. Thanks again.